Alec, is your Dyson HD01 just not turning on? We are Kelatos IT, experts in technical repairs. We collect your device from your door, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no travel needed. We are located at Calle Joaquín María López 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. The reason your Dyson might not be starting could be due to a faulty battery or blockage. During the repair, we will replace the battery if needed and ensure everything is clean and functioning. If you don't want to take any chances, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver to your door across the entire peninsula. Link in the description.